Pennsylvania. Real but sleek and modern, the duplex of the time. A 444's with consolidation. Ready to roll, the soul of the rails. The big and wide, hear the fast rumble, those wheels. Clickety clack down those railroad tracks. All hail to the 5550. Roaring down the tracks like a dream at night. Yeah. Proudly built by Baldwin, a true modern sight. Woo. From the Midwest plains to Pennsylvania skies. Oh. Faster than cars as locomotive flies. Steam trains shining like a mile and miles. So fast. Never miss a beat, it's a sleek survival. So proud. Majesty expressed in every puff of steam. Oh yeah, I built once again, living the dream. In the 21st century, T1's life shall be born. The T1 locomotive shall be heard again. Rebuilt by men with pride and soul. 55550 story, ready to be retold. Come round, you'll all see this metal giant. Yeah. Lie down those iron ladles once again. Let her rain with power, fire and steel. Wow. She racing to glory once again. 55550, rain again. 55550, roam once more. Midwestern plains are home, there's a Pennsylvania. Let her mighty whistle sing loud and proud. A new modern giant now race again. Go T1, go T1. With soul and beat, pencil and pride. She shall live another life once again. The river